My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the browser update alerts, which are absolutely fake. These fake Chrome update alerts currently come from the site Restoremostprogressivethefile.vip. So some people may unexpectedly notice these pop-ups to attack their browser. It is very dangerous to interact with these fake browser update alerts because they promote a special extension that may hijack a lot of crucial browser settings. If the extension is mistakenly installed, a lot of browser settings may be changed. For instance, the default homepage, default search engine, new tab URL, and other parameters. So this is all happening because of this fake browser update installed. When you start submitting some search queries, you may realize that the results are delivered by some other unfamiliar search engine that has never been selected by you initially. To fix these issues, you need to fix your browser first of all by accessing the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Once you find any third-party extensions, you may disable and remove them completely. I would also recommend you to additionally investigate your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. By going to the website combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the application and begin checking your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect any hidden threats, to remove them with the premium version, and to protect your computer from all kinds of malware intrusion attempts. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware and anti-malware, you need to select the preferred scan type. But the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So click on Start Scan button. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database, and after that process is successfully completed, the program will begin scanning your system. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Then the program will give you the detailed and complete summary of threats that were found during the scan. Then you will be able to find out the exact location of all these threats at the end of scan in the complete summary of infections that were revealed during the scan. You may go to Settings of Combo Cleaner and reveal the excellent feature called Anti-Ransomware. This specific feature, of course, is a part of the premium license, and it gives you the opportunity to add several folders that will be properly protected by Combo Cleaner premium version against all sorts of ransomware attacks. So if you add some of the folders on your computer to the Combo Cleaner Shield, these folders and the data that they contain will be protected against encryption by all sorts of ransomware. So, as you see, this is the summary of threats found during the scan. You may remove them manually, one threat at a time, or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.